How to add apps to Android Auto. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can add apps to Android Auto. So to begin with, you'll need to open up the settings page. So you can either go to your settings or you can just swipe down and then tap on the gear icon. Now while you're on this page, on the search bar, type in Android Auto. After that, you'll be able to see this option. So tap on Android Auto. After that, you'll be taken to its interface. Here, you'll need to scroll down a bit, go to General, and tap on Customize Launcher. Once you've done that, it's going to direct you to the other interface where you'll be able to see all of the application. Now from here, what you need to do is, in order to remove the apps, so if you want to remove the apps that is on your Android Auto, all you need to do is unmark it, and you can just see that this particular app has been hidden. Now if you want to remove it from the hidden app, just mark on it and it's gonna go to your existing app. So that's basically how you can add apps to Android Auto. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.